Hi there. Hope you have a fantastic day today. This lesson, I will teach you applications of circumference. Of course, there's a PDF file versions on the description below for you to download so you can work with me. Otherwise, let's go straight into it. First one, a rope is tied around the rim of a circular playground with a radius of 9.5 meters. How long does the rope need to be to completely wrap around the playground? So give your answer to one decimal place. So first of all, we know that the radius of the circle, the rim, okay, if you like. So let me just draw it out here. So we have a circular rim here. So that is the radius is 9.5 meters. And we need to work out the length of this circle here, okay? So we know that the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. So let me just write this down. So circumference is 2 pi r. And the radius of the rim is 9.5 meters. So that means r is 9.5. So this means that 2 pi times 9.5. So that will give me, so just go 2 pi times 9.5. So there you go, 59.69 and so on. And the answer is correct to one decimal place. So 59.6 becomes 59.7 because 6 plus 1 is 7. So 59.7. So therefore, the length of the rope is 59.7 meters. So there you go. Please pause the video and try this one yourself. Hi there, I'm back. How do you go? Let me go through it with you. Before I do that, please do not forget to give me a thumb up and subscribe if you haven't done so you can help me to grow my channel. So let's get into it. So we know that circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. Okay, but in this case here, they gave us the diameter. So we can use circumference is pi d. Of course, you can use 2 pi r and you should get the same answer anyway. So let me just use pi d. Okay, so circumference is pi d and the diameter is 10. So that means 10 times pi or pi times 10. So that will give me, so just go shift pi times 10 and correct to one decimal place. So that means 31.4 because it's 41. So 1 less than 5. So the answer is 31.4. So 31.4. So therefore, the perimeter of the plate is 31.4 centimeters. So there you go. Please stop the video and try this one yourself. Hi there, I'm back. How did you go? Let me go through it with you. So first of all, we know that the radius of the clock is 7 centimeters. So I can draw it out here. Okay, so this is 7 centimeters. And the question is, we need to find the length of the border around this clock here. So that is the circumference of a circle. So circumference of circle, so that gives us the radius, so we can use 2 pi r. That becomes 2 pi times 7. Or you can use pi d, so the diameter will be 14. Okay, so keep that in mind. So that will give me, so just go 2 pi times 7 and correct to one decimal place. So 43.98. So therefore 9 plus 1, because 8 is greater than 5, right? So 9 plus 1 is 10. So instead of 43.9, it's 44.0, because it's 9 plus 1 is 10. So 44.0 centimeters. So therefore, the length of the border is 44.0 centimeters. So there you go. Please stop the video and try this one yourself. Hi there, I'm back. How did you go? So let me just go through it with you. So first of all, we know that the radius of the swimming pool is 3.5 meters. Let me just draw the diagram out first, okay? So we have a circular swimming pool with the radius of 3.5 meters. And we need to find the cost of the fencing. So that is the circumference of a circle. And then we times by 25, because $25 per meter. So we need to find the length of the fencing first. So that is the circumference of the swimming pool. So that is circumference is 2 pi r. We use 2 pi r instead of pi d because that gave us the radius of the circle. Okay, so that is equal to 2 pi times 3.5. So that will give me, so I just go 2 pi times 3.5. So that is, let me just try correct to 2 decimal place first. 21.99, that will do. So 21.99 meters. So therefore, 1 meter is $25. So 21.99 meters. So we just go 21.99. We times 25. So let me just write this down. Cost is equal to 21.99. We times $25. Or times 25 if you wish to write. And that should give me, so I just go answer times 25. That's better. Okay, so I don't have to missing any digits. So that becomes, so that is $549.78 because it's 2 decimal place. So that is 77, but after 7 is 8. So we need to add 1 up. So 77 plus 1 is 78. So $549.78. So $549.78. So there you go. I hope you got it correct. Please pause the video and try this one yourself. Hi there, I'm back. How did you go? Let me go through it with you. So first of all, we know that the radius of the pizza is 20 centimeters. And we need to cut into 8 pieces. And the question is, we need to find the length of the crust for each slice. Okay, so let me just work out the length of the crust first. And that is the circumference of the pizza. So let me just draw the diagram out, and you don't have to if you wish. So that is the radius, which is 20 centimeters. And we need to find the length of the crust first. Okay, and then we divide to 8 pieces. So that is C, that is circumference of a circle, is 2 pi r. R is a radius, and that is 20 centimeters. So that means 2 pi times 20. So that is equal to, so just go 2 shift pi times 20. So that is 125.66 will do. So 125.66 centimeters. And then we need to cut into 8 slices. So each slice will give me, so I just go the length is equal to 125.66 we divided by 8. So that will give me, so I just go answer divided by 8. So will give me more accurate. Okay, keep that in mind. So 15.7 because it's correct to 1 decimal place. Okay, so 15.7 centimeters. So there you go. Please pause the video and try this one yourself. Hi there, I'm back. How do you go? Let me go through it with you. So first of all, we know that the diameter of the garden is 5 meters. So let me just draw it out, okay? So that is 5 meters. So that is the diameter. And we need to install the edge around this, okay? So we need to find the cost of it. So that is $12 per meter. And then we need to work at the perimeter first, and we just need to times 12 after that, okay? So we need to find the length of the edges first. Circumference is pi d because we know the diameter already. So that means pi times the diameter, which is 5. So that will give me, so I just go shift pi times 5. So there you go, 15.71. That will do. So let me just write that down first. So 15.71 meters. And it cost $12 per meter. So therefore, the cost is 15.71 we times $12 because each meter costs $12. So I just go answer times 12. So there you go, $188.50 because the number after 9 is 5. So we add 1 to it, okay? So 49 plus 1 is 50. 188.50. $188.50. Please pause the video and try this one yourself. Hi there, I'm back. How do you go? Let me go through it with you. So first of all, we know that the radius of the track is 30 meters. So let me just draw it out here. So this is the radius and it is 30 meters. And the athletics is run 5 laps, okay? 5 complete laps. So let me just work out 1 lap first, okay? So that is the circumference. So for 1 lap. So let me just start with the rule. Circumference is 2 pi times the radius. And the radius is 30. So that will give me 2 pi times 30. So that will give me, just go 2 pi times 30. So there you go, 188.49. That will do. Of course, you can write 50 or 0.5 because we still need this. And then to work it out next step. So it doesn't matter how you write, okay? Because I'm going to use the answer, which means all these numbers, okay? Later on anyway. So I just write 188.495. So equal to 188.495 or 96, okay? It doesn't matter. And then that is for 1 lap. That is a distance for 1 lap if you wish. And the athletics run for 5 laps. So the total distance, I can just write distance is 188.496 we times 5. That is the total distance. So I just go answer times 5. So there you go. 942.5 meters. Correct to one decimal place. So 942.5 meters. So there you go. Please stop the video and try this one yourself. Hi there, I'm back. How do you go? Let me go through it with you. So first of all, we know the racetrack has a diameter of 100 meters. So let me just draw it out, okay? So that is, the diameter is from one end to this end is 100 meters. But then a safety barrier is placed 5 meters inside the track. So let me just draw it out. So the barrier is here. And the distance is 5 meters away or inside the outer circle, if you wish. So 5 meters. So therefore 100 we minus 10 because this is 5 meters, 5 meters. So if we minus that, so that is 90 meters is the smaller circle. So that is, we need to work out the length of this, the circumference of the smaller circle, if you wish. So now we just go circumference is pi d, because we already know that 90 is the diameter of the circle. So that will give me pi times 90. So that will give me, so I just go pi times 90 and correct to one decimal place. So that will give me 282.7. So 282.7 meters. So therefore, the length of the safety barrier is 282.7 meters. So there you go. I hope you got all of them correct, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.